You won't believe this niche gets 1 million views per video, and barely anyone's talking about it. One Faceless channel pulled over 900K subscribers with just 24 videos. No talking, no face, just AI tools, curiosity, and a crazy question. What if gravity disappeared for 1 hour? In this video, I'll show you how to clone this million-dollar channel blueprint, step by step. From naming and branding, to content strategy, to monetization. Even if you've never uploaded a video before. And yes, you can do this completely free using AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo, and Dubdub AI. Stick around to the end. I'll show you how to trigger the algorithm before your first video even drops. Let's dive into the world of viral science fiction. Faceless, automated, scalable. This isn't just another YouTube niche. It's a psychological goldmine. We're wired to chase curiosity. What if the sun turned black? What if humans had wings? What if the moon exploded? These videos rack up views because the title is the hook. People need to know what happens. Plus, YouTube's algorithm eats this stuff up. Long watch times, repeat viewers, high engagement. It's simple to produce. Stick figures, AI voiceovers, and imagination. And the best part? You never run out of content. Every what-if question is a new rabbit hole. This niche is exploding in 2025. Faceless, evergreen, viral. And unlike trends like reactions or lifestyle vlogs, this model is timeless. Perfect for automation, perfect for scaling. Now let me show you exactly how to carve out your slice of this hidden YouTube goldmine. Yes, what if is the theme, but you need to niche down inside the niche. Here are 3 angles that are exploding. 1. Space and cosmic. What if Earth was the size of Mars? What if black holes touched? This is science fiction meets science, always viral. 2nd, apocalyptic scenarios. What if the oceans dried up? What if nukes launched tomorrow? These lean, dark, and dramatic. Great for emotional thumbnails and storytelling. 3. Human evolution and biology. What if we never aged? What if we had 4 arms? These are easier to illustrate with stick figures and really hook viewer curiosity. Pick one core theme and stick to it. Consistency tells YouTube what audience to push you to. Then brainstorm 30 what-if titles before you start. Use ChatGPT to help. Prompt it with, give me 30 viral YouTube video ideas based on the question, what if? You'll get a goldmine instantly. Once you've got your sub-niche, it's time to build the channel from the ground up. Now let's build your faceless brand. Name, use ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI. Type. Give me creative viral channel names for a science fiction what-if channel. Think names like Altiverse, Cosmic Curve, Think Beyond. Logo and banner, use Leonardo AI. Prompt examples. Stick figure floating in space with glowing planets. Futuristic Earth splitting in half. Keep it sci-fi, bold, and clean. About section and tags. Write a 3-line pitch using keywords. Hypothetical science, curiosity-driven content, what-if questions, faceless YouTube. Then add 15+ tags around the niche. YouTube uses these for early discovery. Here's how even a total beginner can run this channel, using free tools. Step 1. Scripting. Use ChatGPT to write video scripts. Prompt example. Write a 300-word YouTube script answering, what if gravity stopped for 1 hour? With a dramatic but educational tone. Step 2. Voiceover use, Dubdub AI. Pick a natural male or female educational voice. No robotic vibes, just clean narration. Step 3. Visuals. Use Canva for stick figure animations. Search for stick figure graphics. Animate scenes like floating, explosions, etc. Need realism? Use Leonardo AI to generate scenes like Earth without gravity or black hole swallowing time. Step 4. Editing. Still in Canva. Use the built-in timeline. Press the letter S to split clips and match your visuals to the voiceover. Add ambient music from the free YouTube audio library. That's it. No camera, no microphone, no prior skills. Just imagination, free tools, and AI. Now that you've got your content, let's talk uploading and gaming the algorithm. Your first video is critical. It sets the tone for the channel. Pick your strongest what-if idea, one that's big, bold, and instantly clickable. Examples. What if the sun vanished for 24 hours? What if Earth stopped spinning? Now follow this 3-step content plan. 1. Hook, 0 to 10 seconds. Pose the what-if question dramatically. Add sound effects, quick zooms, tension-building music. This locks in attention. 2. Science plus imagination, 10 seconds to 2 minutes. Break down the effects logically. Cause, chain reaction, global impact. Make it feel real, even if it's not. 3rd conclusion, final 30 seconds. Either solve the scenario or end with a chilling thought. This emotional payoff boosts retention and sharing. Tip: add chapter markers in your video like what would happen, global reactions, final consequences. Finally, upload your first video as a premiere. Even with no subscribers, this triggers YouTube's notification and gives you your first real-time analytics. Congrats! You just published your first faceless banger. Let's optimize it now. Don't just upload, optimize for virality. Title lead with what if, and add drama. Bad. What happens if gravity stopped? Great. What if gravity disappeared for 1 hour? Terrifying outcome. Thumbnail use Leonardo AI. Prompt example, stick figure flying off Earth while Earth breaks apart. Use big, bold text. High contrast. Think scroll stopping. Description. Paste your script summary plus keywords like what if videos, science facts, space questions. Tags use tools like TubeBuddy or Rapid Tags to find 15 to 20 trending tags in your niche. Engage immediately. In the first hour, respond to comments like other what-if videos and comment with value. YouTube picks up your activity and boosts impressions. This channel can hit $367 per day in 3 months. It's faceless, scalable, profitable, and it all starts with video number 1. Don't overthink, don't wait. Most successful faceless channels didn't start perfect. They just started and improved with every video. The real secret? Consistency plus curiosity. 1 upload a week for 90 days can change everything. Even if the first one flops, your 4th could hit 100,000 views. Your 10th could unlock monetization. You're not building a channel. You're building an asset that pays you every day, even while you sleep. So, take the leap. Now you've got the full blueprint to clone $1 million YouTube channel from scratch. The tools, the strategy, and even the shortcuts are all in your hands. So there's no excuse not to start. Drop your wildest what-if idea in the comments. I might just turn it into the next video on this channel. If this breakdown helped you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you never miss the next faceless goldmine. What channel would you clone if you could start today?